Good night, everyone. My name is Rochelle Fortune, and today I will be presenting two different models that I created to demonstrate how ionic and covalent bonds work. These models are made using simple materials such as two cups. Small balls represent electrons, and string or tape, and in this case I have paper. Even though these models are simple, they help clearly show the differences between the two types of chemical bonding. For ionic bonding, this model right here, firstly I will explain my ionic bondle. For the model I used two styrofoam cups of different colors to represent a metal and a non-metal atom. In my example, the red cup represents sodium and the blue cup represents chlorine, or Cl, or sodium for Ne or chlorine for Cl. I placed two white balls around the rim of each cup to symbolize their valence electrons. Sodium has one valence electron while chlorine has 7. In this case, in ionic bonding, a metal transfers one or more of its valence electrons to a non-metal. To show this, I physically moved one. In this, well, right now I have 6, but I moved one. So it would be like this. So I would have 7. And I would move one from one cup to another. And then after the transfer, boom, just like that, the sodium atom becomes positively charged and the chlorine becomes a negatively charged ion, and this attraction between these opposite charges is what forms the ionic bond. My model demonstrates the process by showing the electron being transferred and the two atoms being linked to represent the strong electron attraction between them. This is the transfer. And this is the 2, and it remains with 2 now, and the 6 here. And for my covalent bonding, I have, my eyes. I will describe my covalent bonding mod. For the model, I have used 2 cups of the same color to represent 2 non-metal atoms. In my example, I use 2 hydrogen atoms, each with the label H on them, and in each hydrogen cup it has one valence electron shown with the white balls, these things on top here. A covalent bonding occurs when atoms share electrons instead of transferring them. To show this, I connected the 2 cups using a piece of paper and 2 balls in the corner there. I hope you see it. Let me see if you see it. Yeah. This represents the shared pair of electrons, which forms a single covalent bond. Because both hydrogen atoms need 2 electrons to complete their outer shells, sharing allows each of them to feel like they have a full shell. My model shows the shared electron pair and helps illustrate how covalent bonds are formed through sharing rather than transferring. Yep, there it is. In my conclusion, these 2 models help highlight the key differences between ionic and covalent bonding. Ionic bonding, this one, involves the transfer of electrons between a metal and a non-metal, leading to the formation of ions. Covalent bonding, however, involves the sharing of electrons between 2 non-metals. By using everyday materials, these cup models provide a visual and easy to understand representation of how atoms bond together in different ways to form compounds. And that's it. Thank you.